I thought I was good until I wasn't. Hey all, welcome to TNT Homestead. This is Terry. Okay, so now we got the trench dug yesterday. Underneath the shed. There we go. Come up here and up. Now, yes, I know it's at an angle and it won't stay that way. I do have it. I know about where it comes in there, or how high up that pole goes. So I've marked on the inside where I want to put the breaker box, and I'm going to drill from the inside out. That way I know where the breaker box is going to be. I know where it's going on the inside, and then I can come back outside and connect it all, run the wire through, and start there. And then we'll run the wire from, well, down this pipe. I will disconnect everything along the pipe into the shed. Once it's into the shed, we'll actually, I'm just going to leave all the excess in there until we hook it all up and get things going. So I'll probably run it the other way, from there through the pipe and up. But first things first, time to drill a hole. Right. We're up here. I did check based on where the window was at and how far up that pipe was going. I initially was going to bring it in here, but I've decided to come down to about here. It's easier for me to dig a little deeper than it is for me to raise it up higher, because I want to make sure that that pipe stays underground. So let's get this drilled and see what happens. So my problem is, once I get the paddle in here, I can go up and down, but I want it to be straight, and I'm not sure how to do that. Now, my drill does have a level, but that level doesn't work anymore. There's no bubble anymore. So that doesn't work. Wait, my other one didn't work. This one still has a bubble. So we're going to give that a shot, and hopefully it'll work. It's just like a, well, what are those? I can see light. You can see light. Awesome. That means we went all the way through. I may have to drill some more from the other side, but we should be able to get the pipe through. I'm pretty excited about that. Let's go look on the outside. All right, we are through. I am going to have to get up there with the drill and the ladder. Sorry. Right there. Well, it decided there. Right there is where we're going. So let me get the ladder, get that drilled, because I don't have a GoPro or any other thing like that, and I'm not going to try to do that holding this. All right, there it is. Just what we're looking for. So I believe the plan now is I'm going to run the cable through everything. Oh well, I guess the next plan is to make sure I don't have to dig any deeper for where that's at. So let me go adjust things. All right, being that we're mostly off grid, I do have some electric now with the solar panels. I still have a generator, but to cut this metal pipe to go from outside to inside, I determined I need a 6 1/4 inch pipe to get through that wall. That's cool. And I got my Sawzall from my future son-in-law, as they had that, but it only has a wood blade on it. I didn't bring any metal blades, so we're off grid. Use hand tools. I've started. I finally got a groove going, and now it's just time to get it done. I got that cut, and I should have known better, but I ran into something that you need to know about. That way, if you are doing something like this, you'll know what you need. Thankfully, I didn't actually have what I need, but I had what I can do to make by. Let me show you. I've already started messing with this a little bit, but come on. I've got these barbs, and they were all pointed inside. All inside the pipe. In the shed, I had this nail with not quite threads, but they're pretty much threads. And then what I was able to do is just rasp it like you would a file, because I don't want what I don't want is any of those little sharp edges to chafe the wire as I'm pulling it through. That would be bad. But now I've got all of the rough edges on the outside. Thankfully, I had my chainsaw kit here, and there's a little file in it. I was looking for a different one, but I don't have it. But you can't see, sorry. And it's still a little sharp, but not too bad. And then the plan, that's going to slide right onto the elbow. I'll slide it through, run the wire in and around. Actually, I'll run the wire in, then through the elbow, mounting it, tightening it, and then bring it into the breaker box inside. And I'll already have the wire going up the pipe through an elbow into this. So that's the plan. Now let's go see if we can make that happen. Right. Well, a project is not a project unless you have to stop and go to the store now, is it? Sorry. I thought I was good until I wasn't. So we have electric cable wiring going through, down. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna kill myself. And across. I had 1/2-inch pipe to run the cable through, the wiring through, and it fit barely. But I probably spent half an hour and I got about 8 feet of pipe wire through one of the pipes. And I had to go through 30 feet. So we weren't going to do that. I did get the lawnmower out of the shed because we had to do the rest in here. I dug from there all the way across over to the batteries and the inverter. I've got lots of cable. So as we move the inverter, as we bring in more batteries, I don't want to necessarily cut that. So I wanted to make sure I had extra until we get it into its permanent location, because at the moment we only have half our batteries that we intend to have. So all we got to do now is we'll take this wire, and you can see right there, we'll be able to wire it directly into the inverter. And then let me take you upstairs and let you see what's going on there. It's getting dark, so let me turn on the light here. We're coming in through the wall, and then we'll go into the breaker box. We'll have it set right there, and it should be about perfect. Though I think it'll be upside down, but I don't think it really matters. So we obviously still have to wire here and wire in there. And one last thing I need to do is on the outside, I want to caulk right around where we're coming into the building so we don't allow any water in. I want to secure some of these boards a little bit better before we wire in the box, or before we mount the box and then wire it all in. But we are super excited right now. So yeah, only thing left to do is caulk that, and then that'll be done. We'll wire the breaker box in, we'll wire it into the electric. Short term, I may actually go ahead and wire in one plug that we already plan to put up there at the top. I've already bought 3 breakers, 215s and 130 amp. I may do that so we can quit running an electric line extension cord to the cabin every time we get here. We'll have to see about that, but I think that would be a great idea. Anyway, y'all, it's been a long day. We've had lots of projects going on. I'm having a hard time keeping track of them all, but we've taken some pictures if you follow us on Instagram or Facebook. I've got videos recorded, of course, you know, editing and posting and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, thanks. I'm glad you joined us. If you have any questions, let me know. This is a learning project, and we got lots of stuff going on this year, and we are super excited right now. Anyway, thanks again. Talk to y'all next time.